Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve questions from exercise 6.2. You have to copy down the questions and answers. First question is, find the square of the following numbers. First part is 32. 32, we have to find out the square of this number. We learned that square of a number is a number multiplied by itself. That is 32 square. 32 into 32. But here we have to use the formula for identity. First, 32 square. We have to expand this number 32 here. 30 plus 2 the whole square. 32 square equals 30 plus 2 the whole square. Then use the identity a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the identity we are using here. A plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a we can take as a equals 30, b equals 2. A equals 30, b equals 2. Then use the identity. What is the identity? Here a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then substitute the value of a and b here. What is a? A means here 30. 30 square, a square plus what is b? B is 2. So b square 2 square plus 2 into substitute the value of a and b. A, b means a into b. 2 into a 30, b 2. Then 30 square, 30 into 30. That is 3 square 9. Then 0 square 2 zeros. 30 square is 900. Plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 into 30, 60. 60 into 2, 120. Then add these terms, we will get 1024. Once more. Question is 32. We have to find out the square of this 32. 32 square equals, we are expanding 32, 30 plus 2. 32 square equals 30 plus 2 the whole square. After that we are using the identity. Here plus sign. So we are using the identity a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that here a is equal to 30, b is equal to 2. Then substitute the value of a and b here. After substituting the value, after solving, we will get the answer 1024. Copy down this. Second part is 35. We have to find out the square of 35. 35 square. How you will solve? First, expand 35. 35 equals 30 plus 5. 35 square equals 30 plus 5 the whole square. What is A? A equals 30. Here A equals 30 and B equals 5. Next we have to use the identity. What is the identity? Identity is A plus B the whole square equals a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2 AB. That is 30 plus 5 the whole square equals A square 30 square plus B square 5 square plus 2 into A 30 B 5. That is equal to 30 square 30 into 30, that is 900 plus 5 square 5 into 5 25 plus 2 into 30 60 60 into 5 300. That is equal to 1225. Number 3rd and 4th take as homework. Fifth part is 71 square. 71 square equals, that is 70 plus 1 the whole square. 70 plus 1 the whole square. A equals 70, B equals 1. Then use the identity A plus B the whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 70 plus 1 the whole square equals A square 70 square plus B square 1 square plus 2 into A 70 into 1. 70 square 70 into 70 4900 plus 1 square 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 70 140 140 into 1 140. That is equal to, after adding these three terms, we will get 5041. Next part is 46. Here 46 the whole square equals, expand 46, that is 40 plus 6. 46 square 40 plus 6 the whole square. Here A equals 40, B equals which one? 6. Then use the identity A plus B the whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then 40 plus 6 the whole square equals A 40, A square 40 square plus B 6, B square 6 square plus 2 into 40 into 6. That is equal to 40 square 40 into 40 1600 plus 6 square 6 into 6 36 plus 2 into 40 80 80 into 6 480 480. After adding these terms, we will get 2116. Copy down this. Next we can learn Pythagorean triplet. What is Pythagorean triplet? Here 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. These are known as Pythagorean triplets. Once more, 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. These are called Pythagorean triplets. Copy down this. Second question is, write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 6. We have to find out the Pythagorean triplets whose one digit is given as 6. What are Pythagorean triplets? That is 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. These are Pythagorean triplets. First we can take 2m is equal to 6. From this we have to find out the value of m. Here 2m means 2 into m. 2 into m is equal to 6. M here left side multiplication, right side we have to take as division. That is m is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. Value of m equals 3. Here 2m we have taken as which one? 6. Value of m we got 3. Next we have to find out which one? M square minus 1. M square minus 1. M is equal to 3. Then m square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. That is equal to 3 square 9 minus 1 equals 9 minus 1 equals 8. So m square minus 1 equals 8. Here m square minus 1 we got the value 8. Next we have to find out m square plus 1. M square plus 1. Value of m is equal to 3. Then m square plus 1 equals 3 square plus 1. That is equal to 3 square 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Then m square plus 1 we got the value 10. These are the Pythagorean triplets 6, 8 and 10. Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. Once more, here Pythagorean triplet we have to find out. Question is 6. Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here 2m is equal to 6. We have to find out the value of m. M we got 3. Next we have to find out m square minus 1. M square minus 1 we got the answer 8. Next we have to find out m square plus 1. M square plus 1 we got the answer 10. So the Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. Copy down this. Next part is 14. What is 14? 14 is 2m. What are Pythagorean triplets? Here Pythagorean triplets are 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here the question given is 2m. We can take it as 2m is equal to 14. But we have to find out from this 2m, we have to find out m. M is equal to 14 divided by 2. That is equal to 7. We got the value of m 7. Next what we have to find out? We have to find out m square minus 1. M square minus 1. Here m is equal to value 7. Substitute the value of m here. 7 square minus 1. That is equals 7 square 7 into 7. That is 49. 49 minus 1 equals 48. Value of m square minus 1 48 we got. Next what we have to find out? M square plus 1. M square plus 1. M is equal to, what is the number? M value of m is 7. So then find out m square plus 1. M 7, 7 square plus 1. 7 square 49, 49 plus 1. That is equal to 50. Then what are the Pythagorean triplets we got? M, that is here 2m. 2m is equal to which one? 14. 2m 14. M square minus 1. That is m square minus 1 48. M square plus 1. That is 50. So Pythagorean triplets are 14, 48 and 50. Third question, take it as homework. Then fourth part is 18. Here we have to find out Pythagorean triplex 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Here 2m is 18. M is equal to 18 by 2 equals 9. Value of m is 9. Next we have to find out m square minus 1. M square minus 1. Value of m equals 9. Then m square minus 1. 9 square minus 1. 9 square 9 into 9. 81. 81 minus 1. That is equal to 80. Next what we have to find out? M square plus 1. M square plus 1. Put the value of m is equal to 9. Then find out m square plus 1. 9 square plus 1. That is equal to 9 square 81. 81 plus 1 equals 82. Pythagorean triplets are 2m 18. Then m square minus 1 80. M square plus 1 82. So Pythagorean triplets are 18, 80 and 82. Students, we have completed exercise 6.2. You have to practice them. Now we will continue in the next class.